Minister Nongthong Bambiren Singh attends Golden Jubilee celebration of All Manipur Working Journalists Union at Manipur Press Club. Manipur government restores internet schools and college to reopen tomorrow. Hello, this is Nishita Iringbam and you're watching Iscom Prime News for this hour. Now let's see the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attended the Golden Jubilee celebration of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJU, held at Loktak Whole Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister stated that due to the unprecedented crisis in the state, people have lost their lives and many have been moved to relief camps for shelter. The Chief Minister appealed to the media houses of the state. In these crucial times, media play an important role in reaching out to people with checked and verified news so that people are not carried away by false and unfounded information. The government's war on drugs campaign is not against any community but to save the state and nation, he added. He mentioned that illegal drugs worth around rupees 60,000 crores have been confiscated and around 18,000 hectares of poppy cultivation have been destroyed till now. The government is committed to protect reserve forests in the state. The Chief Minister added, the government has been extending unwavering support to the media fraternity by introducing various welfare schemes, especially for them. Further, he informed that the government welcomes any constructive suggestion and advice to bring peace at the earliest, and a collective unity is necessary to save the state. The program was also attended by Minister for IPR, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, President AMJU Bijoy Kakching Tabam, President Editors Guild Manipur, Khogendra Khondram, and media personnel.
Drugs kuma kariguma generation sing manghanba posi kitang control tawba ngamgadra kitang control tawge gan khallakanda not against any communities war on drugs kaina tawrakanda mayamdu sum khara hona jabagi wani huji phawgi manungda 60,000 crore muki drug ne koi fars 60,000 crore last 6 years adagi poppy plantation ne koi yan thakres 18,000 hectare adu suguma mayam se midi nungai roi soi ba kangbo do masanta ni do but ai aseng badi ai madu Kanagumba community the Matagitoguna. Hey, I know is a forest canabone. Why Togi do they the sing Pazak Yam Pazaki was younger? Sing Katan the Tabaina eviction to Javido. Even I get hang on. Langol, White Ho, Mapang pudding the neighbor of Javido. Although one community on the Pushandaki, hey, Honabi, other please. I give me the friends now. Maduki Mayam, the Mayam, that's from Tupio.
The Manipur government has completely lifted the suspension on internet service in the Five Valley-based district after 6 days. Additionally, the government has also ordered reopening of schools in the state from Tuesday onwards. The government had vane mobile internet and broadband internet service in the valley areas on September 10 and fearing law and order breakdown after students protested in Imphal, demanding to restore normalcy in the state after 16 months of ethnic violence. The students had also announced indefinite shutdown of schools in valley areas till the government fulfilled its demand. The affected districts were Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bisnupur, and Kakching. No restrictions have been imposed on the other 11 hilly districts in the state. Meanwhile, the Higher and Technical Education Department and the Directorate of Education, in 2 separate orders, announced that all schools, colleges, and technical institutions would be reopened from tomorrow. Director of Education L. Nandakumar Singh in an order on Monday and said that the normal classes would resume in all government-aided and private schools from Tuesday. In another order, Joint Secretary Higher and Technical Education Lashram Dolly Devi said that all the government-aided and private colleges would reopen on Tuesday after several incidents of violence in different districts between September 1 and 7, claiming 12 lives including 2 women and injuring 20 others, and subsequent students' protests for 2 days on September 9 and 10. The state government closed all schools, colleges and technical institutions across the state. A combined team comprising the Jirebam District Police, CRPF and 39 Assam Rifles conducted a search operation at Mongbung Maitai and Mongbung Kuki village on Sunday. The operation, which lasted from 9:30 a.m. to 11:10 a.m., led to the recovery of a significant case of arms and ammunition. The recovered items include 1.32 pistol, 2 magazines, 11 live rounds of 51 mm, 2 live rounds of 45 mm, 3 live rounds of 39 mm, 16 Pompey bombs, 560 empty cases of 12-bore ammunition, 11 live rounds of 12-bore with an ammunition belt, 18 empty cases of 8 mm, and 105 empty cases of .303 caliber. The operation was part of the ongoing efforts by security forces to maintain peace and prevent illegal activities in the region. Further investigations are underway regarding the recovered items. Manipur police rescued one boy of Kuki community, namely Mangboy Sang Singh Sang, 16 years, son of Pauzon Singh Shan of Faitol, Tamenglong neighboring Jirebam district, who ventured out towards Puchathol, Jirebam from its village. From Khasia Punzi village, Jirebam yesterday. He has been later handed over to his family members. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attains Golden Jubilee celebration of All Manipur Working Journalists Union at Manipur Press Club. Manipur government restores internet schools and colleges to reopen from tomorrow. Thank you for watching Iscom News. Keep watching Iscom News for more news and updates. Stay safe and have a nice day. Kay Nancy Potsang